Okay, I want to talk about this Kennel cough that we got. So this is basically just a bottle. It has a dropper in it, and I'll take that off in just a minute. You can use this a couple of different ways. So obviously you can mix it with food, you can put it in water, put it in the food bowl, you can mix it with treats. So this is a good one. Literally, the brand sent us this to try out, and basically all it is just a dropper. You've got the dropper in here. You see she loves it, and you can just take the dose according to the instructions, and that's all you need. So this one is a good one. Ain't it, girl? Yes, it is. This is good.